Alright guys, this is the second part to the video tutorial and just teaching how to make a basic scene in Flash. Okay, so we've got our clouds here. Let's just make them into symbols quickly. So F8, and cloud 1, make another cloud, 2, the third cloud. Alright, I'm going to grab that third cloud and actually put it on its own layer. Okay, I'll grab that one. Alright. Just give that a label as well. 3. Oops. So, we want to animate our scene a little bit. We just want to have the clouds come across and the sun spin around. So we'll put the sun on the top layer and the clouds will go out. Insert a keyframe, so F6, or you can right click, insert frame, and we're going to make our point B here. So if we click back on scene 1, then we've got our point A of the cloud there, and point B is here. Might just move that up a little bit. Cloud. And we want to create, if we right click, a classic tween, or depending if you're using cs4, then you just create a motion tween. So this will create a tween. If we scrub the timeline, great. So I'm going to do that for the other clouds as well. Just insert a blank keyframe, F6, insert another keyframe. Just going to move those clouds over. Whoops, I've done that to the sun. I'll use that in a second. And I'll insert another keyframe for my other cloud. It's good. If I right click now, I can make multiple motion tweens at the one time. Create another classic tween. I'm just going to offset these, so I'm going to just select my motion tweens and just move them down. Okay, I'll need my sky and hills to stay in there for the full length of our animation, so I'll go back here, hit F5 to insert normal frames, and the last thing that I want is my sun to just rotate, so I'll create a nice tween on it, on the classic tween, and if I go to my properties panel and click on my sun, oops, there we go, and now if I go to my properties panel, I can set the rotation clockwise, number of times. I'd like to spin 2 times, so my sun will automatically spin around like so. Have my clouds drift across the scene like that. This cloud just needs to end. There we go. And there's my scene. So if we hit Control Enter, we can get a taste of what it's going to look like. Very basic. Now we'll just keep looping through. There's one thing else that I want to show you, and that's nested symbols. So what I'm going to do is select all of the frames that I've made, right click, and copy the frames. I then can go insert, new symbol, and call this scene, and then paste the frames. It's great. Now if I go back to this scene, I can delete everything that I've done here. Just remove all this. Trash bin, make a new layer, delete that. And if I go into my library, I'll see that I've got a new movie clip called Scene. and I can drag that onto the stage. This allows me to position things. Whoops. Control Enter. So it's easier if I want to adjust where I'd like to move some. If I want to adjust my scene or move my scene around. Because I've got it now all in one big movie clip, it's easier to manipulate and move around. Okay, so that's just a bit of an introduction to using some bits and pieces in Flash. Thanks. Bye.